In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download an N8n workflow. Sometimes it can be a bit tricky navigating through the pages and finding exactly what you need. But don't worry, by the end of this tutorial, you'll be a pro at downloading workflows from N8n. So, let's get started. First off, you need to open your preferred web browser and head over to the official N8n website. This is your gateway to all the features and functionalities that N8n has to offer. Once you're there, take a moment to look around and familiarize yourself with the layout if you haven't already. You'll find it's a well-organized site designed to help you manage your workflow automation efficiently. Next, you'll need to locate and click on the Sign In option. This is typically found in the top right corner of the website. If you don't have an account yet, you might want to create one. However, assuming you do have an account, go ahead and log in using your credentials. Once you're logged in, you should be redirected to your N8n account. Here, you'll want to navigate to the N8n admin panel. The admin panel is your central hub for managing everything related to N8n, from configuring settings to accessing crucial features that make your automation tasks more effective. With access to the dashboard, you'll probably notice a bunch of options. What you're looking for is the Manage tab, which should be right next to the dashboard. Clicking on it will give you the tools you need to organize and control various components of your N8n account. Now, for the final step. Within the Manage section, look for the Export option. Clicking on this will present you with a couple of options, and you'll want to select Download Workflows. This action will prompt a download of your current workflows onto your device, making it easy for you to save, share, or edit them offline if you choose to. And there you have it. You've successfully downloaded a workflow from N8n. With these simple steps, managing and sharing your workflows becomes a straightforward task. Remember, the key is familiarity with your N8n workspace, which will only grow with time and usage. Keep practicing and exploring the capabilities that N8n offers, and you'll find it to be an incredibly powerful tool in automating your processes. Thanks for watching, and happy workflowing!